Beats by Farshield.
Hey guys, it's Deshaun here with another YouTube video, and today we're doing a little twerk tutorial. I did a poll on my Instagram just yesterday and asked you guys what did you guys want to see, and a twerk tutorial is what y'all said y'all wanted to see. So I guess that's what we're getting into today. Y'all was trying to throw it back for a real one. One of the things I would probably be known for is probably my Instagram twerk videos. I've had a few videos that have had 1,000 views or so, you know, nothing big, but you know, just a little something. So I guess I got a little bit of a reputation for myself. And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to twerk. I guess some of you guys just don't know how to do it, and it doesn't come naturally to everyone, I guess. Can't relate. Just kidding. Step 1 of learning how to twerk is finding a good song to twerk to. Guys, don't be like me and twerk to literally any song. I do have this addiction. I know I'm working on it. Like, it's really bad, but I mean, there's like nothing I can do about it. Like, I don't know. It's the only dance I know how to do. Like, stop attacking me. But yeah, so I literally twerk to any song. Like, I'll literally twerk to gospel.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Okay. So, step 2 of learning how to twerk is bouncing to the beat. You know, once you got your song and you feeling it, you gotta start hitting that little bounce. You know, you catching the beat.
Hey, big old freak.
Woo! It's getting a little hot in here already. So after you start bouncing to the beat, you know, you should feel it. And I feel like there's 2 types of twerkers, you know. There's the back twerkers.
Put my city on the map. Name always in their mouth cause your boy is snap. And I got fit cause the city on my back. You can hold that. I never.
And then there's the twerkers who, you know, rely on the, you know, the cushion for the pushing in the back. And they rely on the bounce, the jiggle. So me, I'm kind of a combination between both of those. So yeah, how I twerk is like,
look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen.
my balls fell out, bitch. Oh my god. So I don't know how long my balls were out. But yeah, you guys are like fucked up for not telling me. So yeah, I twerk like this.
You know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on it account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he.
So step 3 would be after you catch the beat, you know, you gotta throw the hands on your knees. Hey. And then step 4 is get on your motherfucking tippy toes. I don't know what it is about getting on your tippy toes, but it just really makes everything like move just a little bit more. It puts a little oomph in it. That's not lose control, but you put a little in it. So first, find a good song.
Real ass nigga give a fuck about a bitch. It is what it is, this some 5-star bitch. She a big old freak, it's a must that I eat. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.
Look, handle me? Who gon' handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the.
So let's go somewhere where we can get a little more space because I'm feeling a little claustrophobic in here. Can I get an amen? So first, find a good song. Bounce into the beat. Hey. Hey. Hands on your knees and tippy toes, please. Tippy toes, please.
No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.
Look, handle me? Who gon' handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP. I'm a superstar, nigga, now I got him far late. I called a Jake to get that nigga, I told him, call, don't send no text, and don't you tell him you with me when they be asking where you at. I can't read your mind, gotta say that shit. Should I take your love, should I take that dick? Got a whole lot of options, cause you know a bitch poppin'. I'm a high girl, so you know when shit's poppin'.
Real ass nigga, give a fuck about a bitch. It is what it is, this a five-star bitch. She a big gold freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit.
So now that you guys learned how to twerk with me, thank you for checking out my video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and maybe hit that post notification button as well. I'm out of breath, bitch. And so is my dog. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys subscribe and let me know down below what videos you guys would want to see in the future.